All right, today we are doing number 17 for fast math. So make sure you're turned to number 17 on the bus. Number 1 says, how many pairs of mittens are there? Circle the correct answer. So remember, a pair means 2. So how many pairs are there? Okay, number 2 says, find the small triangle with the large circle around it. Put an X through it. The next part has some subtraction and addition problems. So make sure you're paying attention. If you see a minus sign, you're going to subtract. If you see a plus sign, you're going to add. Go ahead and do those. Push pause if you need to. The next part says, there were 5 napkins on the table. Mom put out 5 more napkins. How many napkins were there all together? Go ahead and fill out that bottom part. Push pause if you need to, and then we'll get correcting. So, how many pairs? So here's 1 pair. Here's 2 pairs. Here's 3 pairs. And here's 4 pairs. So the answer is 4. There are 4 pairs of mittens. The next part said put an X through the shape that had the small triangle with the big circle around it. So this is the one that should have an X through it. Good, the next part, we are doing some addition and subtraction. So the first one says 6 minus 3. So you're going to take 6, take away 3, 1, 2, 3, and your answer is 3. The next one is 2 plus 2. So if I have 2 and I add 2 more, that makes 4. The next one, 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left. Ooh, the next one, it's a doubles fact, 3 and 3. It makes 6. Another doubles fact next, 5 and 5 makes 10. And the last one, 12 minus 6. So I have 12, I'm going to count backwards 6. Ready? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. My answer is 6. Next part, there were 5 napkins on the table. Mom put out 5 more napkins. So we are going to add. How many napkins were there all together? So the numbers we know are 5 and 5. And our addition sentence is there were 5 napkins. We're adding 5 more. How many all together? What is 5 plus 5, everyone? We just did it up top. You're right, it's 10. So there are 10 napkins. Nice job, first graders. See you next time.